Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website freakingorgeous.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love the colors, I really love the bold image. It suits your branding, it suits your niche because you are selling beauty products, which is great. And you mentioned that the glowing skin is always in, so obviously it indicates that you're selling perhaps the skin products to make the skin glowing and so on. And the shop now button is linked to your product page, which is perfect. You've got worldwide free shipping and 20% off, so this is a really great deal, and I'm glad that it is displayed in the top promo bar. Okay, shop now button. I understand that it's one product store. Okay, so this is good. That is a good deal. Shipping calculates at the checkout. You've got information here, although the top promo bar mentions that you are shipping worldwide for free. So make sure to specify it. If you offer free shipping, you can remove this because it just adds confusion. People will not be sure whether they will need to pay at the last minute at the checkout. So make sure to be more clear in this area. Okay, so you include all the benefits people get when they buy from you, which is perfect. So 30-day full refund, and obviously the benefits of the product. So this is perfect, really, really user friendly. The Instagram feed looks really good as well. And the footer menu looks great. You've got additional trust signals, additional menu, which is perfect. Remember to open social media links in your tab so people don't leave your website when they open in the same tab and they go to Instagram, they go to Facebook. Your store closes in the browser, so you will lose this valuable traffic. So make sure to open all external links in your tabs. The product page looks great. I would just optimize the URL so it's shorter and more SEO friendly. And obviously remove this shipping calculates at the checkout information that I've already mentioned. However, the product description is unique. You've got helpful product images with extra information, so that's perfect. When it comes to the discount, I would encourage you to have genuine discounts. So, for example, if it's really $299.99 and then you're selling for $199.99, make sure that the discount is only temporary so people act upon it. Otherwise, it just doesn't look real. It doesn't feel like an authentic deal if the discount is on all the time. So remember to run time limited discount that they will be more authentic and people will be more likely to act upon them to buy the next time they see the item is on sale. Also, the top promo bar with your free delivery and additional discount is not visible on the product page, so people might want to know that, might want to know about the free delivery, about the discount, even if they don't visit your homepage, even if they land straight on your product page. If they don't see these kind of incentives that can affect sales, so make sure to have this promo bar at the top displayed on every page. Remember to add additional trust signals such as shipping policy, refund policy. Don't hide them under frequently asked questions. People would want to know where to locate them, and obviously it will help you. It will help you with your SEO as well because Google will rank them as shipping and as return, so separate content. So it will help Google direct people to more relevant content on your website. Yeah, I thought the frequently asked questions does contain shipping and refund policy because I remember on the homepage you mentioned that you offer 30-day refund. So make sure to specify this Q&A or FAQ is empty. So remember to add content here and obviously specify your refund policy. What's the return address? Can people return used item, or whether if they open it they cannot return? So make sure to specify it, because it protects your business, it protects your customers, and helps you avoid any negative feedback in the future if people expect that they can return any item or any time for a full refund. Okay, shipping policy is really good. So you mentioned free shipping, which is fantastic. You've got professional email address. I'll just hyperlink it for one-click contact. But shipping policy is, yeah, short and sweet, but very informative. But I will just add the refund policy as well. Your SEO score is 56 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title, meta description look great. I wouldn't repeat the title here, because normally Shopify displays the brand title as default in meta title. So you can add, for example, the face cleaner or face, steamer, whatever the keyword you want to target, and then it will help you stand out in the search results a little bit better. Remember to work on the keyword consistency. As you've got one product store, you need more content to keep people browsing for longer. So you need blog posts, and with blog posts, you can add more written content. You need galleries, reviews, videos, and so on, because you want people to stay longer on your website. This is much better for SEO. The longer people stay on your website and browse, it's a sign for Google that they find your content valuable. And if you've got only one product, there's not enough content for people to keep browsing unless buy and check out. However, you also want to keep improving your SEO, keep improving your ranking and position in Google, and this is really important to improve your dwell time as well. Remember also to optimize all the images with alt tags. They help Google to understand what's in each image. As I mentioned, your URLs are not SEO friendly, so remember to make them SEO friendly, short and more descriptive. And also connect Google Analytics. It's a great platform to track your incoming traffic and see where your visitors are coming from. Your website loads in over 2 seconds, which is quite slow compared to other Shopify stores. That can affect your conversion rate and SEO, because Google doesn't like ranking um, slow loading websites, ranking them high. And 220 right now is considered as slow, because most of the Shopify websites load under 1 second. This is the new norms to aspire to. So make sure to work on all of these areas. There are few areas that need attention when it comes to the loading speed. There are a few requests that take quite some time to load on your website. As you can see, you've got some script requests that take a long time, images, and all other apps that you're using to support your content. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.